Hi everybody, and I'm glad to see you on my Microsoft Excel lesson. So today we're going to be talking about how to lock or protect some cells, because sometimes it happens when you have some info and you don't want that somebody going to be changing them. For example, we have this table and all of these orange cells, it's cells which we don't want to give to change for anybody. We want to protect or lock them. So first of all, we have to click here. By this click, we're gonna be select the all whole cells in our worksheet. Click, then we call in context menu and choose a format cells. Then we have this pop-up window where we have to go here in a protection area, and we have a couple of options. We could hide this column or lock this column. So basically, automatically, they all already locked. So let's keep it here. Okay. And in our position, we have to unlock some cells which we want to share. So for example, we okay that some people were changing those cells. So let's select them, choosing context menu, and we also go to format cells, and we want to unlock those cells by clicking here. And okay, so what do we have right now? All our cells are locked, and couple of these cells are unlocked. This is really easy. Then we choose in context menu on a sheet which we want to protect. For example, here, choosing context menu and choose protect sheet. And here we could put some password, verify this password. We could give an access for people to select locked cells or select unlocked cells. For example, we don't want that people were able to select locked cells. So we will not give this opportunity for them. But we are okay that people were format cells or format columns and etc. So click OK. We have this icon which appears on our sheet. This means that our sheet right now is blocked or locked or protected. And let's try to put some info here. As you see, I'm basically not able to choose all of those cells, but I could work here. I could text, I could write and change everything. So, but I'm not able to do anything here. This is the very easy and very, how to say, proven by time method, diversification of responsibility in your sheet, if it's possible to say so. So, I mean, this is really easy way to protect your sheet. So how could you unlock this? Just click here again on a sheet, choose a context menu and choose unprotect sheet. And then you just have to put your password, and that's all. So right now your sheet is unlocked and you're able to change all of information. So for example, personally, I'm using this a lot. I'm not usually right now using Microsoft Excel. I'm usually working in spreadsheets. But when I create some formulas, functions, and a huge amount of data, and my employee have to work with it, I'm kind of not okay if they will be editing my functions and formulas. So that's why I'm locking all of those cells. And all my employees, they're able to work in my worksheet, in my workbook, but they are not able to break formula. Or for example, they are not able to start edit some cells which I locked. So this is really useful. I hope that it will help you in your business, in your career. Use it and see you on the next lessons. Just scroll down, subscribe, and so on. See ya. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes, and also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much and see you.